Yeah, I received a couple nocos today. The, that one over there, it's not charged, but it has a battery problem. This one here, it has a charging issue. So the one with the battery problem, this one cannot be fixed because it's going to need a new battery. One of the battery cells are bad, so it cannot be fixed. So this one, we're going to change the charging port, and this should work fine. So I already take this one apart. You can see the charging port over there is completely missing. So we're gonna go to the battery cells, to the battery connector, this one here, and we're gonna test from the black to the red, and show here 11.6. That's good. So the first cell is between red and white. .8 between white and yellow wires is a 3.8. Between yellow and black is a 3.9. So the battery cells are okay. That's the good thing. So let's take the board and we'll start replacing the charging. So this is what the customer said. USB charger, the USB charge port broken. Push it in and will not power on. This one is okay, but this is a different issue. Yeah. So I already told the customer how much we charge for replacing the charging port, and I don't think this two problem is linked to the charging port, because the device, it has over 11 volt, is still gonna turn on, still can boost, and the other 11 volt is enough for the device to turn on. So let's check why, or let's fix the charging port and see if the device is gonna turn on. Yeah, as you see, the charging port is right here. Yeah, the charging port still looks good. Alright, let's go to the microscope. let's solder the charging port. You can see it now. Okay. Get the charging port solder into place. So I plug it to the charge. Device is checking 0 amp. Yeah, checking 0 amp. And you can see the battery 75% flashing. It's like a fake charge. It doesn't turn on. So I guess the problem, the device doesn't want to turn on, and the customer was thinking is maybe the charging port trying to wiggle it and damage the charging port. So let's see if we have 3.3 volt. So here, so we have the ground in this point, and we have the 3.3 here. And we're going to turn on the device and see if we're going to see 3.3 quick. Yep, it's go up and down. Here 3.3, so it's good. And the VCC, this point here, is a 10 volt. That's good. All right. So, yeah, let's look at the microscope and see if we can see any burned, cracked or damaged component, or something doesn't look right. Then we go from there. So after I found that cracked resistor, I solder it into place. The device, it turns on. You can see the green light is boosting 11.6. And we have 11.6 in the multimeter and the clamps here. So let's check the charging. So it's a 75%, and the amp meter is over 1 amp. Yeah, so this device is fixed and is ready to ship it back to the customer. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.